What up, y'all? It's Ro back with another video. In my previous video, we took the floor from this to this. Also, we finished the tiling in the entire shower. And finally, we went about grouting the niche and the floor. So in today's video, we are grouting all the shower walls, adding caulk in all the corners, and finally adding the finishing hardware touches to this master shower. So let's get into this video. Alright, so we are starting with grouting shower walls. We first got to clean them up, make sure all the dust and debris is all off our shower walls. Then we're going to add the grout to our walls, use our rubber trowel, and push the grout in between each tile. So what we're trying to do is make sure that all the grout is covering the entire shower, pretty much in between the spaces of each tile. That's what we're trying to cover. I literally put it over the entire wall, and that's not necessarily the right thing to do. I did a little bit messy, I'm not gonna lie. This is a little bit messy, not a little bit, this is a lot of bit messy. I'm actually making more work than what I actually need to. There's a lot of haze on here, a lot. So try to be a lot cleaner than I am, because yeah. All right guys, this is the grouted tile of the shower. Ooh. Literally, look at all that hazy. Not hazily. Gotta pretty much remove all this haze and stuff and clean up these grout lines, and we should be good to go. So let's try to do that. All right, a quick tip in removing haze, making sure that you have 2 buckets and a sponge. So making sure that after you wipe off all the haze and you get a lot of dirt on that sponge, you can rinse it off into the bucket, rinse it out, and then dip it into the second bucket and rinse it out again and apply it to your shower wall. And you're going to do that whole technique over and over and over again until all the haze is out. You don't need no haze removal. You don't need any of that stuff. You could just use 2 buckets of water, a sponge, and you'll be good to go. So after you remove all your haze, it is time to add your sealer. What you're adding your sealer to is your grout and also the niche. So I have a marble niche and I have a marble seal plate, top plate, and a side plate. So I'm adding that sealer to those different areas. Next, we are adding caulk to our corners of our shower, to the interior shower floor, inside of our niche, and around our seal plates. So this caulk that I'm using is actually 100% silicone. So it's technically not caulk. So it's 100% silicone, it's mildew resistant, waterproof, and all and everything that you need for your interior of your shower. So make sure you get the right caulk. I keep calling it caulk, don't know why, but it's silicone. So make sure you get the white silicone for the interior of your shower and your niche area, and also your seal plate area if you have those within your shower. And I wish I would have learned this technique a little bit sooner, because I clearly didn't do it in this process. When you're applying your silicone caulk to your seams or your corners of your shower, you want to use some type of spray bottle that has water or soapy type of water so you can wipe away the excess silicone caulk. Obviously, I didn't do this in this technique. You know what? I added way more work than I actually needed to. I used the popsicle method, but I forgot to actually use the water method. That would have saved me so much time and headache from removing all this silicone caulk off of my tile and my seal plate. Yeah, like I said, it was just a lot more work than I actually needed to do. And to remind you guys, I am not a professional tiler, a professional plumber, electrician, bathroom renovation person. I am doing it myself. But also, I have learned so much in this process by watching YouTube, watching other YouTubers, watching Sal, watching Tile Coach, watching Star Tile. Star Tile definitely has been, you know, my number one. Thank you, Star Tile. I'm going to shout out. Thank you. So yeah, I am a DIYer, and this is my first time renovating a shower. Actually creating a shower out of literally nothing, out of absolutely nothing. So I'm pretty proud of this process and everything that's been done up until this point. Actually, shoot, not up until this point. I've been proud of this whole thing. This is just amazing. And my wife has encouraged me throughout this whole time to continue to research, continue to look at other creators and how they went about creating their showers and different things. So, and just to give you guys a heads up, my background is animation. Yes, I am a professional animator. I worked on movies, TV shows, commercials, VR rides, video games, and other things. So doing this is totally out of my realm, but it kind of shows that anybody is able to do this if you can put your mind and your effort and your time into it. You know, I am not a professional tiler. I'm not a professional any of this stuff, but I took the time, I researched, and I applied myself. You know, I implemented exactly what I learned and applied it to this shower. I hope that this helps you on your journey if you are creating a shower, or if you are, you know, trying to do content creation or YouTube. I hope this helps you on your journey to never give up, to research, never give up, apply yourself, and just keep moving forward. And finally, we made it to the point of installing all of our hardware. So we are installing a shower head, a rain shower, and also a handheld shower. After removing the eardrop plugs, now it's time to dry fit the neck of the shower head. Once I know it fits properly, now it's time to apply the plumber's tape. I'm applying the plumber's tape to the front and the back of the neck. So the reason for that is you're making sure that there is a watertight seal when you are applying the neck of the shower head. You don't want it to start leaking on the inside of your shower, because everything that you've done will be messed up. So you want to make sure that you go around the threads at least 5 or 6 times. So you want to make sure that you have that watertight seal in every area of your plumbing. Now it's time to install the cover plate to the 3-way valve diverter. Once that's completed, now we can add some silicone, but this time it's going to be around the cover plate. Once again, we want to make sure it's a watertight seal, that no water is getting behind those tiles. So this time we're using a clear silicone. After applying all the knobs and the finishing touches to the cover plate, now it's on to the shower handle. Once again, I'm using plumber's tape to go around the threads 5 to 6 times to make sure there is a watertight seal. And finally, we made it to the rain shower. So it's the same process, making sure that you're putting plumber's tape on and that you're going around 5 or 6 times and making sure that it's a watertight seal. I know. I'm just saying watertight seal a bunch of times because it's so important, y'all. Okay. First of all, do you want leaks in your shower? No. So that's why I'm saying it so many times. 5 or 6 times, watertight seal. Watertight seal. All right, I'll stop. Alright guys, the shower is finally done. Alright, here is the big reveal. Before we do that, I want to go back in time so you all can see exactly where we started from. here is the big reveal of the master shower. Yeah, just got the shower valve system already siliconed. Got the handheld silicone all ready to use. Got the main shower head. Then I got the rain shower situation all ready to use too. This is the temperature gauge. So you turn it to whatever direction you want it to be, hot, cold, warm, medium, blah, 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 woo, woo. My wife likes it a little bit hotter, so we'll keep it on that. And then the first valve at the bottom is the shower head. So the middle valve right here is actually for the shower handle. It's shooting all the way to the back. Super crazy. Well. And then, yeah. Take a shower, you do your hair, all that good stuff. And then last but not least is the rain shower. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's an official rain shower, y'all. So yeah, that's what it is, guys. Like, look at that boy. Like, look, it's raining. It's raining inside of the shower. And also, oh yeah, I totally forgot to tell y'all, you can use everything all at once. Let's see that real quick. So shower head, shower handle, and then rain shower. Look at that. A waste of so much water. This is what my wife wanted, and she gets what she wants. Happy wife, happy life, happy life, happy wife, happy wife, happy life. So yeah, that's the completed shower. Finally done, official. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey to completing this shower, but more things to do in this bathroom. So stay tuned. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. So yeah, that's all I got. So I'll see you guys in the next video.